Customers have encountered an issue recently indicating the error message, unable to load your payment info on Google Pay app or website. The mobile payment platform is not working and users can't successfully make payments. Follow each of the troubleshooting methods in this guide and see if any of them can help you fix the unable to load your payment info error on the Google Pay app. Method 1. Verify your payment info. Your payments profile might be deactivated. To reactivate your profile, submit your payment information. Sign in to Google Pay. At the top, select Alerts Alert. If you have a red alert, enter your payment information and wait for the team to respond. Check your email for the review results. Method 2. Clear cache on Google Pay app. Navigate to the Settings menu of your device. Select Apps and Notifications. Tap Google Pay. Select Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Now, go back to Apps and Notifications. This time, clear the cache for Google Play Services and Google Play Store. Method 3. Reinstall your Google Pay app on Android device. First, uninstall the Google Pay app. Go to Settings. Select Apps and Notifications. Tap Google Pay. Tap Uninstall. Go to Google Play Store. Search for Google Pay. Install the app. If you continue to experience the same payment error or other issues with your account, you will have to contact the Google Pay support team.